Hello and welcome to the Future Tuber. So guys, today we will see all specs and features of a brand new phone Redmi Note 10 Lite, which is also called as the Performance Master. So in my previous video, I have uploaded the unboxing of this phone. Go through the link given in the description and see how the phone looks like. So let's get started. So friends, the phone is available in 4 colors: Aurora Blue, Glacier White, Interstellar Black and Tropical Yellow, and has a 48 megapixels AI quad camera array, 16.9 cm FHD plus dot display, triple Corning Gorilla Glass 5, Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, hands-free access to multiple voice assistants, 2+1 micro SD slot, and it is expandable up to 512 GB, 18 watt fast charging and a 5020 mAh battery with pre-installed Alexa. If you will buy the product, the box will contain Redmi Note 10 Lite, power adapter, simple protective cover, USB Type-C cable, SIM eject tool, user guide and warranty card. The phone's height is 165.75 mm, width is 76.68 mm, thickness is 8.8 mm and weight is 209 gram. If I'll talk about the rear camera, it has a 48 megapixels ultra high resolution primary camera on the upper right corner which supports night mode. On the upper left corner, 8 megapixels ultra wide camera of 119 degree FOV. On the lower left corner, 5 megapixels macro camera is attached with up to 2 cm focus distance, and on the lower right corner, it is 2 megapixels depth sensor with AI protect mode. Features of rear camera photography are night mode, document mode, cinematic portraits, 64 MP HD, smart ultra wide angle mode, rear camera beautify, steady handheld night photography, portrait mode, background blurring, panorama mode, pro mode, photo timer, leveling, burst mode, face recognition, HDR, ultra wide angle, edge distortion correction, custom watermark, AI watermark, portrait mode, background blur adjustment, full screen frame, rear camera AI scene detection with 27 recognizable tags and macro camera. Rear camera recording features are cinematic 4K video, ultra wide angle recording, macro recording, short video mode, 4K recording and kaleidoscope. It has 16 megapixels in-display selfie camera with AI portrait mode, so you can express yourself with 120 fps selfie. Front camera photography features are panorama selfie, palm shutter, AI Silhouette detection, front camera HDR, front facing flash, face recognition, AI beautify, AI portrait mode, AI scene detection. It is available in 4GB and 6GB RAM and 64GB and 128GB of storage. It all depends on the user to choose the combination. But note that actual available memory may vary due to various factors. As the operating system occupies a portion of the RAM, actual available memory is less than stated. As the phone comes with pre-installed application, the actual storage size is smaller than stated. The screen supports 16.9 cm FHD plus dot display with in-display camera, resolution of 2400 into 1080 with 20:9 cinematic screen, with reading mode 2.0 and Corning's of Gorilla Glass 5. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor are ergonomically designed for easy access and speed. Now, unlock your device easily whether it is placed on the table or in your pocket. Experience class-leading performance with the huge 5020 mAh battery that delivers up to 14 hours of gaming time. The 18-watt fast charger is in-box ensures fast and efficient charging. You can experience 20.5 days of standby, 210 hours with music plus headset, 29 hours with Volt calling and 14 hours of gaming. With a dedicated 2+1 SIM card slot, you can use 2 SIM cards simultaneously. You can expand your storage up to 512 GB with the support of the micro SD slot. You have more than enough room for all your music, photos and documents. It has high performance octa-core processor with frequency up to 2.3 GHz. It also has Adreno 618 graphics processor with Qualcomm 5th generation and an AI Engine 8nm process technology. Plus, the Qualcomm Cairo 465 CPU is engineered for this new architecture to better extend battery life while increasing compute capabilities. It also has 5th generation Qualcomm AI engine, delivering a whopping 15 TOPS of AI performance with high AI and ML interfacing. In security, it has side-mounted fingerprint sensor and AI face lock. In audio system, it has 1217X Max 0.4 mm high amplitude ultra linear speaker, smart PA10V external pressure boosted, high volume 3.5 mm headphone jack. It has various sensors like Z-axis linear vibration motor, side mounted fingerprint sensor, distance sensor, in-screen ambient light sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, electronic compass and IR blaster. Redmi Note 10 Lite features P2i splash proof nano coating technology to ensure your device is protected against spills and splashes. Here I end up because we have seen all the specification and features of Redmi Note 10 Lite. If you loved what I recounted here, then definitely you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you, have a great day.